Hey guys, welcome back to Snaptudes. I apologize I haven't uploaded any videos in a while, but from now on I'll be more frequent in uploading videos. Sorry I was busy due to work. Anyways, today we'll learn how to create this hatched drop shadow effect in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so this tutorial has some important points, so make sure you go through the whole video. So I have Illustrator opened and then I'll click on new to create a new canvas, and I'll keep the width and height to be 1920 and 1080 pixels, right? And then click on create. After that, I'll type in some text. Make sure you press the caps lock so that it's all capitalized, and then I'll type in happy holidays. And I'll increase the font size to say 60 from the top, and then I'll change the font from Myriad Pro to Oswald bold, right? This looks good. And then I'll go to the right side and change the color to red. So if you have this stroke in front, you can press X to switch back to the fill color, right? And then you can toggle between this by pressing the X on the keyboard, and then I'll change the color to red. Okay, and then I'll move it a little up, and then I'll press Control C and Control V or Command C or Command V on Mac, and then I'll align it like this, right? And then I'll select the second text, right click on it, and then click on create outlines. That way this is not editable and this becomes a shape, right? And then I'll click on the line segment tool from the left side, and I'll just create one line like this. Okay, and I'll change the stroke to say 2 points, and then make sure the color of the stroke is black, right? Another shortcut to create a copy of any shape is like select the shape and then press Alt and drag it where you want to create the copy. If you press the shift, then it will go in a straight line, as you can see with the help of this marker, right? And then I'll create a copy of this line and move it somewhere over here. Okay, then go to object and then blend and blend options. So make sure the spacing is set to specified steps and change the specified steps to say 70, right? And then select both of these shapes by dragging your mouse like this, and then going to object, then blend, then make, right? That way those lines will be repeated 70 times, right? I mean, it can be a different value in your case, so it can be 80, it can be 100, depending on the type of style you want to achieve. But anyways, so I'll select this this shape and then go to object and then expand, right? And then press OK. So you might have to press go to object and press expand 2 times, but it worked just for 1 time in my case. Then I'll select this shape and then I'll right click on it and then arrange and send to back. So now what we need to do is we need to make this shape, this happy holidays outline shape, a compound path. So for that I'll select happy holidays and then go to object and then compound path and make, right? So it's just one compound path. It might not be visible bits, but this is already there. And then I'll drag my mouse like this and select both of these shapes and then right click on it and then create a clipping mask. Cool. So now I'll drag this shape right over here, right? And then I'll right click on it, arrange and send to back. So cool. So now we can slightly align the top text like this, and you can also add a stroke to the top text, and that can be white in color, and maybe increase the stroke width to 2, and then click on stroke and change it to line stroke to outside. Okay, So that's it guys, that's how we can create this hatch text effect in Illustrator. If you like the video, please comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.